Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your PayPal account. First, log in to your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner, which will take you to your settings page. Scroll down until you find the option to close your account and click it. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure about closing your account. Be sure to read the instructions carefully, as it also recommends deleting any important data before proceeding. Once you're ready, click Close Account. It may take a few seconds to process, and another window will appear saying, "We're sorry to see you go," confirming that your account has been officially closed. After that, you'll be redirected to the PayPal homepage, and your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your PayPal account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.